Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will see what is the difference between compiler and interpreter. I'm assuming that you know the programming language and you have used compiler and interpreter. So now let's see the difference. So first of all, I'm going to discuss what steps compiler follows and what steps interpreter follows. So whether it is compiler or interpreter, they need source code. So we are going to write a program and that programs are called as source code. Now what happens in compiler? Compiler is going to analyze your program. That means it is going to check correctness of your program. It will check whether any error is there or not. If the error is found in your program, then it is going to show you message. Now suppose there is no error in that program, then what compiler will do? It will convert your source code into what? Machine code. After that, compiler is going to link all the files into a single file, and that files are known as executable file. And then it is going to run that executable file. I hope you know in your C programming, executable file is generated and that file is run. Now let's understand what steps interpreter follows. So in interpreter, no linking of file happens because machine code is not generated separately. There is intermediate code generated, interpreter runs that intermediate code. What happens in interpreter? Source code are executed line by line during the execution. Unlike your compiler, which was executing all the program, which was checking correctness of all your code and then it was executed. In interpreter, code is executed line by line. And if any error occurred during a particular line, not the whole program, particular line, then what it does? It stops the execution until the error gets removed. So whatever code was correct, for example, you have written 5 to 6 line, in that 2 lines are correct. So you are going to get output of that 2 line. And in compiler, that was not happening. Entire source code it is used to check, and then finally it is going to show you output if there is no error. But in interpreter, intermediate lines, if they are correct, it is going to show you output. So let me just show you this by executing one program. Okay, so here I am going to use online compiler for C, and I am going to use online bash compiler, which is nothing but script compiler. So now let me click on this execute. Here you can see I am getting hello world. Now let me just copy this line and print over here, and I'll execute again this. So I should get hello world twice. Okay, I'm getting. I'll remove this F. So what I'm doing, I'm making mistake in my program. I'm going to execute. So compiler is not going to show you this in output because of error in this line. So let's see that. Okay, so you can see I'm getting error over here. So this is what compiler, if your any of the line is wrong, until you modify that line, you won't be getting output of previous line. Now I'll go to interpreter, and here you can see I'm having one echo command, and I'm just going to execute this. Okay, so you can see I'm getting hello world. I'll just copy this again just to show you that interpreter executes single line. I'm going to execute again, and you can see I'm getting hello world twice. Now I'll just make mistake in this program. I'm just removing this H, and let me click on execute. You can see my first hello world is coming, and it is showing me error on this line, that is line number 4. So that is what interpreter, it checks line by line. I hope you understood. Now let's go to the next difference. Okay, this is what your compiler diagram. You can see the source code is there, compiler is there. Compiler converts your program into machine code, and then you get your output. And this is what your interpreter, it is not generating any machine code, there is source code, it interprets and generates out. Now another difference between compiler and interpreter, that is translation time. So compiler takes entire program, just now I have shown you, and then it converts it into machine language. And what interpreter does? It translates one statement of your program. Advantage of using compiler is that your program is already converted into machine code. Now only execution is left, so execution time is shorter. Interpreter execution time is longer because it executes line by line code. Next point is intermediate code. Compiler generates intermediate code. As you have seen in previous diagram, machine code is generated. Interpreter never generates any intermediate code. Speed of compiler is comparatively fast. Speed of interpreter is slower. Now memory requirement for compiler is more because it is generating intermediate code. There is no extra memory required in case of interpreter. Example of programming language which are using compiler: C, C++, they uses compiler. The languages which uses interpreter: PHP, JavaScript, they are what? Interpreted language. Error detection is difficult in case of compiler. Error detection is difficult in case of compiler, and it is easy in case of interpreter because it shows line by line error. Now question comes whether Java is compiled language or interpreted language. Before moving to the next part, just tell me in comment whether you know Java is compiled or interpreted language. Here is the answer. Java is both compiled and interpreted. Sometimes we called as hybrid. So how Java is compiled and interpreted? Because Java source code is converted into by the compiler, and that bytecode is interpreted by your JVM, and then it runs on your target machine. Let me know in comment box, do you know other language which are compiled and interpreted? I hope the difference between compiler and interpreter is clear to you all. If yes, then don't forget to hit on like button, and if you have any kind of query, you can put in comment box. Channel, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit on bell icon. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye and take care.